Hello guys, and this is your 7th tutorial of C++, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you about nested if else statement and if else statement first of all. So just clear out everything. Now we have two variables right here, okay? So I'll just assign different values to them. One is 10 and is 15. Now what a if else statement is, you type if, you insert a condition, then it executes the block of statement, and if the condition is false, right, you type else and then a block of statement. So if the condition is true, this statement gets executed, there I go. And if the condition is false, the else part gets executed. So just put some conditions in here like a is less than, oops, where the hell is that bracket gone, a is less than b, then execute see out something like is smaller, and if this is false, it will see out a is greater. What am I typing right now? Out of my mind right now, I know. So a is greater, and make sure you spell it wrong. I'll put the semicolon right here and just fill in on this. Hopefully I won't get any error. And a is smaller, so it took both these values, it went to this condition, a is less than b. Is it true? Right, it is true. 10 is always less than 15, so it execute this statement, skip this statement. Now if we change the value of a to 20, okay, and then we build in on this, let me just close out of this, and a is greater, okay. So it comes to this condition, a is less than b. Is 20 less than 15? No, it's not. So just skip this statement, go to the else part and print it out.